First, open the Infotronicx OMR system. The splash screen will appear, followed by the license information form. This form displays the product name, license type, and license status. After 5 seconds, the system will automatically switch to the login form. On the login form, enter your organization ID, user email, and password, then click the login button. Click on Remember Me if you want this information to be remembered. Once logged in, the main interface will load, showing a header menu with options such as Master Entry, Exam, Template Setting, Scanning, Result, Reports, System Setting, Help, About, and Exit. At the bottom of the screen, the footer displays the logged in user's name, organization, and connected data source information.